Nowadays, most of the parents come to me with one common complaint of the students that their marks are less. Yes, this problem is increasing day by day. And we find one common and one major reason for this is distraction. Initially, the common reason which was given was lack of concentration. The child is not able to concentrate on his studies. But nowadays, this problem, the word, it has changed to distraction. So what exactly the distraction means and what is the solution for this problem? Once this distraction is sorted out, lack of concentration problem will also be vanished and the ultimate result will be the best result of your child in their report card. They will be scoring the best marks. So first of all, let's check what exactly is distraction and what exactly is lack of concentration, and then I will be telling you the perfect 100% tried and tested solution for this problem. So lack of concentration is we sit at one place but we are not able to focus on the subject. So we are reading but still we are not able to focus. We are not able to grasp it properly, and that is lack of concentration. And distraction means we can say it's a higher version. It's a very hyperactive stage. Distraction means the child is not even able to sit at one place for more than 3 to 5 minutes. He is distracted. Distracted means he is getting attracted by some other things. So he'll sit, he'll read one or two answers and immediately he'll get up. No, I want to drink water. No, I'm feeling hungry. No, I want to go for the washroom. No, I'll just go and meet my friend. Or I'll just call my friend for a minute. So some or the other thing will divert his attention from studies, and this is distraction. Now if you just check what exactly is the reason for this distraction, and in most of the cases the reason for this distraction is the time the children spend on screen. It can be TV, it can be laptop, it can be mobile. Yes, mobile has become the major reason for this distraction problem. Just check how much time, how many minutes, how many hours your child spends on that mobile screen with that mobile in their hand, and especially which time. If it's early morning as soon as they get up and just before going to bed, then it's going to be more harmful. We don't say that strictly avoid screen. No, it can be the part of the life, but reduce the screen time as much as possible, because this is the major cause for the distraction and the major cause for the less marks in your child's exam. So if you wish the best marks, yes, of course each and every parent wish best result, best marks for their child. So what can be done for this? As I said, there is no need to spend anything for this. The simple and the most powerful remedy for this is meditation. Yes, meditation. Just start meditation with 5 minutes. Meditation in the sense is you have to sit quietly at one place and do deep breathing. Just do deep breathing for 5 minutes. Then slowly increase this time from 5 minutes to 10 minutes. Then make it 15 minutes and later make it 20 minutes. Yes, no need to increase it further. 20 minutes is more than enough to eradicate your distraction problem 100%. Yes, it 100% working solution for the distraction problem. And once the distraction problem is sorted out, your lack of concentration, everything will be solved by this just one single remedy, that is meditation. And further, to make this technique more powerful, we can add chanting in this meditation. You can add Om chanting or any mantra chanting. Yes. And again, in this you can add some crystals. The crystals like clear quartz, amethyst, tiger eye, lapis, fluorite. This helps a student a lot. We have few videos which are based on these crystals and some mantras which are really very helpful for the children. And if parent and child together, if you work on this solution, it will definitely give you not only 100% but 200% result. Just try. Just give a try. If you want a solution, if you find that yes, this is the problem, you are sure yes, problem is there and you are in need of a solution, the solution will work for you only when you start working on that solution. I'll repeat my words. the solution will work for you only when you start working on this solution. So just give a start. This is 100% powerful remedy which we have tried on few students, and I assure you, the 100% result of your child. Yes. Just start and check the result just within next 3 to 6 months. Yes, 3 to 6 months. You have to do this with patience, and within 3 to 6 months you will definitely find the miraculous change in your child. Yes, not only in his marks, but you will find miraculous result in his behavior, in his body language, everything. Yes, you will find a different version of your child if you start following this solution. So hope each and every child and each and every parent got the perfect remedy which they were looking for. And this is really a very powerful remedy, and many parents and students as well are facing this problem. So don't just keep this remedy only up to yourself. Please do share this video to maximum students and maximum parents. And to get the updates of such interesting, helpful, useful videos, don't forget to press the subscribe button so that you'll get the updates of our videos. And apart from this, if you have any query, if you are facing any problem in your studies or to achieve the expected success, feel free to drop your query in our comment box. We will definitely answer your query. So my dear students, parents, all the viewers, thank you so much for watching this video.